Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And today is another unboxing from Craspire. Create and inspire your mind to enjoy life. And they carry a bunch of wax seals, silicone stamps, paper, silicone molds like for resin and UV resin. They have a section with 99-cent items, which I got several from there, and some ribbon. So let's get to unboxing. The first item that I got was, let's get everything out of the package first. There's some cool things to like they said, create and inspire your mind to enjoy life. When I opened this package, I was like, oh, this is fun. There's a couple new things that I've never had before that I got from them. So the first one here is 18 pack of Gingham Ribbon. That's hard to say. Each color is 3.28 yards, and it's a good quality. And they come in individually. My words are not coming out today, guys. They come individually wrapped. I was trying to figure out how to store these, so if you have an idea on how to, store this instead of in the little packages, because I want to be able to see all the pretty colors and be inspired to make some stuff with them. So let me know down below how you store these ribbons. Oh, I forgot, they're 3/8 of an inch wide. Let's see what I unpack. Oh, I'm just showing you all the colors. Actually, I'm counting them. I should have counted them before, right? But like I said, there's 18 different colors. And they got some primary colors, they got pastels, they got black and white, of course, red and white. So a lot of things you can do with this, scrapbookings, making some bows for your projects. Well, we'll see what I make with them. Next is this little stamping, wax seal stamping holder. The picture online made it seem a lot bigger. But that's a regular size stamp holder or handle that I have there on the left. And the one that I got is itty bitty. It's like, oh my goodness. But I got a pink one. I would have gotten a purple one, but they didn't have any purple at the time. But there's a itty bitty one, and then this is the regular one. Hey, 99 cents. Can't beat that. It's a great same quality as the big one. It's just smaller. I got this wax seal stamp head. You'll see why I got it in a second. It's a button. If you've seen some of my Zentangles that I do, I always put a little hidden button in there. It's just my little trademark sort of thing. So I'm gonna be stamping this everywhere with some wax seals. So you might get some Happy Meal with this little stamp. Now onto some silicone stamps. You know I love my silicone stamps. And most of these, believe, if I'm not mistaken, they're all 99 cents, which is a steal. We got here some butterflies, and it has a little poem that you can use as a background. These are like postage stamps, which I'm going to be working on this tomorrow. So not tomorrow, tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern on 5/12, and I'm going to be stamping some of these to give to my mom, because she likes to do adult coloring books. So I'm gonna just stamp those and let her color them in. And these are for bookmarks. So I'll be making some bookmarks. So this may be the free item that you get when you place an order off LittleTreasuresByNancy.com, sponsored by Harnell Media. And then this one is a full sheet that you can do as a background and just put a sentiment on top. So I'll be using some of these tonight. So come back at 8 p.m. Eastern. What's coming up next? Oh, some silicone molds. I've been playing around with some UV resin, as you saw on my last video. If you haven't, I'll link it down right here above. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not a silicone mold. It's another wax seal stamp, but this one is flat because I wanted to use some of the dried flowers that I got on Amazon, and use some clear wax. They have a clear wax, and you can see the dried flowers through it. So it's a lot bigger. I didn't expect that to be bigger. I think it's an inch and a quarter. Let me see, almost an inch and a half, that's pretty big. So it's a big surface to use your wax and make a nice little arrangement with some dried flowers or some other things. I'll show you the difference again. Okay, now we're going to the silicone molds, and these are, I've never done these before. These are to make beads. So I'm gonna try it with my UV resin to make there's some square beads and some half round beads. And this set is four of these molds come in one set. You got a small and a large square, a small and a large half round. So this will be interesting to see how, adding some glitter or whatever to the resin and pouring them in here. So that could be an upcoming project too. So many ideas coming in my head right now. What would you make with these silicone beads? Here is another set of silicone molds, and I say set because it came with I believe it's 4 different molds. There's the number. Let's get this out of here. I've already used this. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I've already made some of the little pop prints for earrings, which is on my website, littletreasuresbynancy.com. Yes, shameless plug. And I bought it for the little pop prints, but that big mold that there at the bottom, I already have that mold that I ordered myself from another company. So I have 2 of those molds, so I can do 2 at a time now. But these paw prints are so cute, and little kitty faces. So I made the small ones into earrings, and I also made some of the heart ones into earrings, but I haven't posted those yet. And then you got the star and the half moon, or the whatever. Yes, I'm gonna be trying them with the UV resin. Next, please. You have any requests? Just let me know. I'm here to take custom orders too. And this last silicone mold is for candle. If you can't tell, you probably can't tell. I'll put a picture up above what it is. It's a yarn ball. So I'm gonna try making some candle yarn balls, and we'll see how that works out. Because using regular resin, that's a lot of resin for that little thing. So we'll see if it works with the candle wax. They show it with candle wax, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. So what's next on Nancy's channel? You have to come back and check this afternoon, actually this evening at 8 p.m. Eastern. And until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with new supplies and ideas.